So now as you can hear me, there is a lot of hum. You can hear me because this is without the pop filter. I'm using a $300 microphone which have a built-in pop filter. Still, I mean, you can hear my breath, which is not a good sign, which irritate the viewers. So to combat that, here I am with the pop filter from the newer. I mean, I really like this pop filter, to be honest with you. This is a quite good. This one you can get in black, red or blue. I ordered a blue one but it was out of stock. So now here I am with the red one. So now let me open it and then do the unboxing of it. As you can see, let me open the pop filter. You can grab this one from the link below. So now here we go. Okay, this is a sexy looking red. I really like newer. You can get this one for around 10 to 15 bucks on Amazon or AliExpress. The link will be in the description box below. Okay, I mean, this seems quite sexy, right? To be honest with you, let me be honest with this seems really quite sexy, right? But it's really good or not? I mean, the build quality is absolutely awesome. Let me see from it. Newer, okay. The CE Jun Wang. I mean, Newer is a quite good company, so you can mount like this, as you can see here. So now let me connect the pop filter with my microphone, and then I will be jumping back to myself, and then we will doing a test. Hello. Hello. So you can now hear me. So how good I'm sounding. So you can now hear me. So now I already installed the pop filter. To be honest with you, I'm doing a live monitoring. I'm quite impressed with it. I mean, really, I'm quite impressed with it. So now this is with the pop filter. This one is without the pop filter. Tell me how good I'm sounding. And this one with the pop filter. To be honest with you, I'm really enjoying the pop filter. Now jump back to me. I gave my hand for you to hold. So here's the pop filter from Neewer. Yeah, this is really very much amazing. I mean, before I can give my opinion on it, jump to the unboxing table. So yeah, here you can see I'm using the pop filter. This is without the pop filter. You need to be tell me how good I'm sounding. This is the built-in Short Super 55 pop filter. You need to be the judge how good I'm sounding. You need to be the judge. Pa poo pee poo pa. Pa poo pee poo pa. Pa. pa 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 poop. And now let me do it with the filter. This is the filter. Pa poo pee poo pa. Pa poo pee poo pa. You need to judge how good I'm sounding. To be honest with you, I have listened to myself. It take a lot of my lower frequency, and then clean it. That's all I can say. This is a must buy, I think I need to get the blue one to match with my microphone. Overall, I can easily recommend. The link is in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.